The iPhone SE3, which was released back in 2022, faced significant criticism from both Apple enthusiasts and professional reviewers. However, it still held a special place in the hearts of those who appreciate the budget-friendly Apple phone series. The rumors surrounding the release of an iPhone SE4 have been a wild ride, with various reports contradicting each other, but according to Ming-Chi Kuo, a highly respected Apple analyst, it seems that we should not expect an iPhone SE4 anytime soon. In this video, we're going to talk about it in detail and what possible changes it might come with, so let's get started.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes Ten Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with Ten Studio today.
In a recent tweet, Ming-Chi Kuo revised his earlier predictions regarding the release of a new iPhone SE. Previously, he speculated that the device might be launched in 2025 or 2026. However, he has now shifted his perspective and suggests that Apple has no immediate plans to introduce an iPhone SE within the next 2 years. The release schedule of the iPhone SE has been characterized by its unpredictability. The initial generation made its debut in 2016, followed by a significant 4-year gap before the arrival of the second generation in 2020. Subsequently, the 2022 model was introduced last year. This erratic pattern of releases suggests that it's challenging to make definitive predictions about the future release of an iPhone SE, as Apple has demonstrated a tendency for an irregular timeline. Also, does this mean Apple has given up on its budget series? Actually, it's hard to confirm by ourselves. Maybe Apple is shifting towards higher priced models in the future, such as the rumored iPhone 15 Ultra. However, the market demand for mid-range phones is currently at an all-time high, indicating potential opportunities for profitability. Nonetheless, it appears that Apple is inclined to maintain its association with pricier and more premium models, which may imply a reluctance to extensively focus on the budget segment. Exciting changes are on the horizon for the iPhone SE4, as Apple plans to implement a 6.1-inch OLED display, according to a report by The Elec. The display, sourced from China's BOE, is said to be identical to the one featured in the iPhone 13 model. By utilizing components from previous devices, there is a likelihood that the iPhone SE4 will maintain a lower price point while offering an upgraded display experience. This development hints at an enticing combination of budget-friendly pricing and enhanced visual quality for the upcoming iPhone SE4. The iPhone SE4 is anticipated to mark a significant departure from the traditional home button design, potentially adopting the sleek design of the iPhone XR. This shift implies that Apple may need to explore alternative methods of incorporating biometric authentication into its new budget smartphone. While the possibility of incorporating Face ID with a notch exists, it's considered less likely due to the higher production costs associated with that technology. A more plausible solution would be the continuation of Touch ID, utilizing the side button as seen in Apple's more affordable iPad models. This approach aligns with Apple's past practices and offers a feasible option for maintaining biometric authentication in the iPhone SE4. The chipset that will drive the iPhone SE4 remains uncertain and raises significant speculation. The current iPhone SE3 is equipped with an A15 processor. In order to enhance the raw performance of the SE series, Apple would need to transition the A16 chipset, which is rumored to come with a high production cost, or potentially adopt a more advanced SoC. It's important to note that circumstances could evolve significantly before the release of the iPhone SE4, leading to potential changes in the planned chipset and overall performance of the device. In short, the upcoming budget iPhone is set to make a significant change by replacing its traditional LCD display with a modern OLED screen. This shift, combined with a sleek design, may attract a considerable number of users who are hesitant to invest in Apple's high-end iPhones. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.